Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Markin. In today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely terrifying Siren Head dimension. That's right, guys. I'm going to be heading to the absolutely terrifying Siren Head dimension. And I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, Siren Head don't decide to siren me, because that would be really painful, guys. Like really painful. I would not want to go through that. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 dirt blocks. You want to go ahead and place 5 of those on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need 4 blocks of iron. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your dirt blocks, just like that, right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on up, grab your dirt blocks, and place 5 of these on this side, with 1 block of iron right on top. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down, son of a pig. That really hurt. That really hurt a lot. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 dirt blocks on this side, and then 5 dirt blocks smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 block of iron on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. Wow, that really does look amazing, guys. But now it's time to head into the Siren Head dimension. This is going to be so amazing. Oh my God, guys. I knew this dimension was going to be scary. I did not think it was going to be this scary, guys. I did not think it was going to be this scary. And oh my God, I think there's something watching me. I'm just going to put my head down. I'm just going to run. I'm going to run for safety. Hopefully it don't follow me, guys. Oh my God, guys. I think that was Siren Head. I think Siren Head was watching me. I just hope he don't follow me. I just really hope he don't follow me. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, guys, it looks like we might be safe. We might be safe, guys. What is this? What is this? A double sink? This must have been a bathroom, because they have a double sink, a luxury cobweb toilet, and a bathtub. Wow, guys. I need to make my bathroom like this. This is a really nice bathroom. I especially love that cobweb toilet. Like, that's genius. That is genius, guys. But let's go ahead and see what's inside this chest. Well, let's not see what's inside that chest. But wow, guys, this dimension is really scary. I'm going to make sure I watch my back, because if he comes up on me, I'm going to give him the 1-2. I'm going to give him the 1-2 if he comes up on me. He better not come up on me. But whoa, guys. This must have been like somebody's house or something. And it's obviously been destroyed. I wonder if these two was connected at one point in time. This might have been like a big mansion. That would have been so amazing. That really would have been amazing. But let's go ahead and let's head on up because there's no way I'm going into that scary cave. There is no way I'm going into that scary cave. So let's go ahead and head on up and see what's happening up here, guys. And whoa! This must be a cemetery. Oh my God, guys. I was not expecting this. I was not expecting to be in a graveyard. And who would plant in a graveyard? This obviously means somebody's living in this graveyard. You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to break this up. Because the last thing I want to happen is for Siren Head to come back and eat a bunch of food. Because if he eats a bunch of food, he's going to get stronger. So that's why I had to take out all of his props. Because the last thing I want him to do is to get stronger. But wow, guys, this place looks like it has been absolutely obliterated. Wow. I cannot believe this. I really can't believe that I'm in a graveyard right now. Like, this is crazy. Oh my God, right there he is. You know what? I'm going to get him before he can get me. Oh no, no I'm not. No I'm not. Big mistake. No I'm not. No, no. No I'm not. Hopefully he didn't follow me. Hopefully he didn't follow me, guys. I don't think he did. Oh, I might be safe. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to sneak around. I'm going to sneak around on him. And then I'm going to take him out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Big mistake. Big mistake. I made a big mistake. Maybe he didn't follow me. No, he's definitely following me now. He is definitely following me now. I think I made him angry. I think I made him really angry. Boom, take that, Siren Head. Take that. Boom, take that. Take that, boy. Take that. Take that. Oh my God. Oh my God. He must have a lot of health, guys. Because I hit him a couple times. You know what? I'm going to take him out. I'm going to take him out with my bow and arrows. Boom, take that, Siren Head. Boom, take that right to your Siren Head. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. He's getting the better of me. He is getting the better of me. I can't shake him. I can't shake him, guys. I can't shake him. I'm going to hide behind this tree. Maybe he won't follow me. He definitely followed me. Oh my God, guys. This is crazy. This is absolutely insane. How much health does he have? You know what? I'm running again, guys. He might be indestructible. I don't know, guys. But he is really beating me up. I'm going to have to eat an enchanted golden apple. Enchanted golden apple. Oh my God, I need a break. Break time. Can we have a break? He's not wanting to give me a break. Come on, man. Give me a break. Oh, snap. He's definitely not going to give me a break. And I think I've made him even more angry. I can't believe this. Oh, I took him out. Oh my God, I actually took Siren Head out. Oh my God, that was amazing. And oh my God, I think he ripped loose 3 diamonds. He ripped loose 3 diamonds when I took him out. Wow, guys, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. Wow, I took him out, guys. That'd teach him not to mess around in a graveyard. Unless he was trying to just, protect the graveyard. No, I doubt it. He's a bad guy. But this must have been his house. And this must have been his bed. Wow, this is a really nice soft bed. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and blow this house up so he can't come back. Because the last thing I want is for him to come back to this graveyard. Boom! There his house goes. So now there's no way he's going to come back. There's no way he's going to come back to this graveyard. But wow, guys. This is actually a really nice graveyard. You know what? I don't like those. I don't like those. I do love this cross. I love this cross right here, guys. You know what I might do? I might fix this graveyard up, and then me and my pig can live in this graveyard. Do you want to live in the graveyard with me? He looks so afraid. He looks so afraid. I don't think he wants to live in this graveyard. He is really afraid. He's like, there's no way I'm going to live in this graveyard. Come on, pig. It's just a graveyard. You'll get used to it. He don't want to do it. He don't want to do it. You know what I could do? I could build my house right there, guys. I could build a big, nice mansion. And then I could build my pig a house right there, guys. Wouldn't you like that? No, you just want to go back to our dimension? Yeah, I kind of understand that. I can kind of understand that. But it really wouldn't be that bad because I would just get a vacuum cleaner and I would just suck up all the ghost. So there'd be no more ghost in this graveyard. So it really wouldn't be that bad, guys. It really wouldn't be that bad. But let me know what you guys thought about that absolutely crazy battle between me and Siren Head down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.